Hi, I'm Rod Murray. Welcome to Rod's Good News AI Club. These short videos are the highlights from the monthly AI club that I lead in our active 55 plus community outside of Philadelphia. And they're also a new feature of the Good Newsletter. We explore practical, easy to use AI tools, what they're good at, where they fall short, and simple ways to try them in everyday life. A quick reminder for anything medical, financial, or legal, always verify with a trusted professional. AI is a terrific brainstorming partner, but you stay in the driver's seat. Now, here's this month's highlights.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the AI Club. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're just curious or you've already started playing around with this stuff, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we are kicking off a brand new adventure into a pretty fascinating world. So, have you ever wanted to just create something completely wild straight from your imagination? I mean, look at these. How about a giraffe looking very dapper in a top hat, sipping a cup of tea? Or maybe this adorable little elephant getting ready for a swim? Believe it or not, these pictures were made just by describing them. That's it. That's the kind of magic we're going to start unpacking today. So, what in the world are these tools that can do things like that? Well, the easiest way to think about it is like this. Imagine you have a super smart assistant that you can just talk to. You can ask it questions, you can give it tasks to do, or you can even just toss ideas around with it. That's really the heart of what we're talking about here. And the best part is, this isn't some high-tech gadget locked away in a laboratory somewhere. Nope, it lives right here on your phone, on your computer. Your new creative partner is basically ready to go whenever and wherever you are. Okay, so there are a few big names you're going to hear about, and it really helps to know what each one is good at. First up, you've got ChatGPT. Think of it as your creative powerhouse. It's just brilliant for writing things, brainstorming, you name it. Then there's Perplexity. This one is more like your personal research assistant. If you need answers but you also want to know where it got the information, Perplexity is fantastic because it gives you the sources. And finally, there's Google's Gemini, which is becoming a true personal assistant that really knows its way around your phone. So this all sounds really cool in theory, right? But what does it actually look like in real life? Let's take a look at some actual examples of how folks right here in our community are already using these tools to make their lives a little bit easier and, frankly, a little more fun. For instance, one of our members wanted to plan a perfect day trip to Spring Lake, and the AI didn't just give a list of restaurants. It created a whole time schedule from where to get coffee in the morning to where to have a nice dinner before heading home, all planned out. Ever get stumped on what to buy a teenager? Yeah, you're not alone. Another member used an AI to brainstorm gift ideas for their 13-year-old grandchild. It's just a fantastic way to get some new ideas you might not have thought of. It's also amazing for health and wellness. How about this? Creating a custom low-carb, high-protein menu for the entire week. You just ask and boom, you get a full plan ready to print out and stick right on the fridge. And these tools can get really personal too. This one's pretty special. For a genealogy project, a member fed it some old family stories, and the AI helped warm up the writing style and even craft these beautiful, heartfelt captions for old photos. It's like having a co-writer for your family's history. Okay, so beyond the everyday stuff, AI can be a starting point for some of the more serious topics in our lives. And this is where it gets really, really powerful, but it's also where we need to be extra thoughtful and careful. For example, one member was able to generate a beginner's pelvic floor exercise program, and it came with clear instructions on sets, reps, and timing. Now, that's an incredible starting point for taking control of your health, right? And that brings up the million-dollar question, doesn't it? When you're dealing with important things like your health or your finances, how on earth do you know if the information you're getting is safe? Is it reliable? Can you actually trust it? Let's talk about that. We need to set up some clear rules of the road. Because using these tools safely and responsibly is everything, and luckily, it's pretty straightforward. This is all about making sure you are always in the driver's seat. So here it is. This is our number one golden rule. For anything important, and I mean anything to do with your health, your money, or legal matters, you must always verify the information with a trusted human expert, a doctor, a financial advisor, a lawyer. Think of the AI as your brainstorming partner, not your final decision maker. Your privacy is also a huge deal. So here's a quick little checklist. Dive into the settings. You can actually turn off chat history, so your conversations aren't used to train the AI. If you're talking about something sensitive, just use a temporary or deleted chat. And this is just common sense. Avoid sharing super personal details like your address or any financial info. Okay, so how do you get these amazing results? Well, it's all in how you ask. It's called writing a prompt. It sounds technical, I know, but it's really just a simple recipe. First, give the AI a job, a role, like you are a restaurant critic. Then give it a clear task. Recommend 3 Italian restaurants. And finally, give it some context. In Philadelphia for a quiet anniversary dinner. See? That simple formula makes all the difference. Whew, we have covered a lot of ground. But honestly, your adventure is just getting started. So let's talk about the practical next steps for getting going and what other exciting things are just around the corner. All right, if you're ready to jump in and download one of these apps, here is a critical tip. When you go to your phone's app store, look for the official logo and double check that the publisher is listed as OpenAI for ChatGPT or Google for Gemini. There are a ton of fakes and copycats out there, and this little check will keep you safe. And trust me, the future is coming at us fast. Pretty soon, we're going to see AI agents that can actually do things for you in the real world, like book that dinner reservation without you lifting a finger. We're also going to explore tools like Notebook LM, which can read your personal documents and give you a summary. Think about what that could do for HOA rules or even old family letters. And now for my final little mic drop. You know this whole presentation, the entire summary of our hour-long meeting that I've been walking you through? Yep, ChatGPT wrote the first draft in under 60 seconds. It's the perfect example of just how much time and energy this can save you. Pretty wild, isn't it? So I'm going to leave you with this one question to chew on. Now that you've seen a little of what's possible, what's the very first thing that you want to ask an AI? Your adventure is officially waiting.
Coding creation, a digital sphere. The future of thought is starting right here.